Hello, guys. Good morning and welcome to another weekly update, episode 35. And we are in the month of December. I told you guys that this month I'll be very, very busy. I have a brother that is getting married, my friend is getting married. I have a lot of events, so probably sometimes I don't get to work in the shop, but when I can work, whenever I can work, I will try to make the video and send to you guys. And by the way, this week has been very, very busy because since the last time I vlog, I've been working really very hard. Even I work at night, but no time for me to film. So I will be showing you most of or some of the items I've made so far, as I'm the only one around. So stay tuned to watch this video to the end, as you will see some interesting stuff we've made, and some of the projects I abandoned last week that I didn't finish due to time. I did that. So, and even last week I talked about delivering the wallet I made. I've delivered that. It's just one left at the shop now, which is this particular one. So I didn't get to film as well. They really love it. They really love it. They really love it. So they just pick one, and the one I fixed, they collected it and pick one. Before they asked me to make one, I just decided to make two as to keep sample. So without no further ado, I will be turning the camera now and showing you what we have done in the shop so far. So I don't think this video will be long this week. So I will just try to talk about what I've made so far, as I will not be working. It's already weekend, so their work I was doing, so I will be abandoning since on Saturday and Sunday I'll be very, very busy. I don't think I'll be opening the shop or doing anything. So I will just continue the vlog on Monday. I will start a new vlog on Monday, which that is going to be episode 36. So I think so. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Give this particular video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it, as I will see you once filming the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you at the other side. So talking about the wallets, this is the particular small wallet. You guys have seen this. So this bag, I make them the one I abandoned last time, and I did this I think in the last time update. In the weekly update episode 34, we make that. So by the way, in 2 weeks ago, the lady I used to make this particular tote bag for, she came to collect those. So she's back again to make new ones. So this is the sample I make for the new one actually. So probably we'll be making more of this, and some we'll be making some that are black without pocket. So this one has two pockets from the outside, and we rip the hand, as you can see. Then it has another pocket from the inside as well. So this is a black jeans material, and this jeans is very thick. So that is that for that. And I don't think, okay, I didn't make video on making that. Since we've made the video, this is just something simple, but the measurement is a little bit different, so I can talk about it if you guys want. Let me know in this week update, so that I will talk about it in the next week update. So that's just it. So let me turn to the other side. By the way, I don't think, okay, did I even talk about this? But this is still here. Those bags are still here. And by the way, we are doing bonanza. By now it would have started already. 40% off. So if you like any of this bag, you can get in contact with me or slide in my DM, as you have the advantage to own one of them. So by the way, what do we have here? Last time I was talking about making two traveling bag in the last week updates, weekly update. So I didn't get to make it. So this is the traveling bag. I've started making it. By the way, I make one already, which is this particular one. But this, I don't think I'm going to finish it. I will abandon it. I will continue in next week update, because there's no time for me. I just came to shop and finish up some work. So that's just it. And by the way, what do we have on the decks here? Well, before we talk about that, this is the one I've made so far. It's just the design we make previously. This is a gift to someone. This is a gift to someone. So I just make it straight up, just a front pocket with the inside. So is this particular new lining I just bought I'm using now, and the lining is like this yellowish beautiful lining. So I'm really enjoying the lining. Even the people I've used to work before, they really comment on the lining that they really love it and it's beautiful. So that's the bag. So what do we have here? Actually, there's a story behind this particular tool bag you are seeing here. So let me sit down so that I can talk more about it. Why I say there's a story behind the bag is I just get connected to a new client from Instagram as well. So she saw my work and she decided to give me work. She normally do her work from a different place before, but she see that my work is good and I'm close to her, so she decided to give me a work. And by the way, these are the bags she gave me. So actually, this particular bag is the bag she used to own, so she don't like it anymore. So and she want me to make something. She don't want to waste her material. She think I'm not capable. So and people that know we are capable know what we are capable of doing. But she saw the work, but she wanted to try us. But according to her word, that's what she said. So she don't like this bag anymore. So and as you can see, the accessories on the bag, she gave me the skin leather. This is a really genuine skin leather, and a PU leather, which is a synthetic leather, which is this particular one. So she gave me and this particular bag and asked me to make something. She showed me a sample and asked me to make something. So I decided to make this. So I just removed the hardware, which is the bag lock and the chain, and fixed to that. So this actually by next week I will try as my best to put it together and send it to her as I as this is part of our property and I don't need it in my own place there. So by the way, I did the illustration and diagram of it. I even make video of making it. So by the way, I don't know if the video will be coming on before this particular week update or maybe as this particular week update is coming on. So that's just that's just the small story behind it. And the client, I don't know, maybe this is the last work we'll be doing with her, because to be sincere, a lot happen. There are clients I don't pray to do their work. I don't know if she watch this, if she watching, if she's not watching. Well, I have nothing against you, and that's just it. But the way she communicates with person is not fair at all. She demands respect and she talks the way she wants to talk. Meanwhile, I owe you nothing, you owe me nothing. We do business which is trade by barter. You require my service, you pay me your money, I do your thing for you. It's not as if maybe I work under you, you owe me, so you have the right to just start talking to someone anyhow. If you have been talking to people that way, mine will be different. And I don't think, am I even supposed to be saying this? So that's the reason why I say there is a story behind it. And by the way, alhamdulillah, we are done with the bag. I will look for a way to send it to her. So once I package the bag, not in this week updates, in next week update, I will be showing you when I package it and try to send it to her. And I will let you guys know the feedback, because we have a little bit of issue with her, not from me, but from her. So I'll let you guys know what is going on. So let me turn and show you the bag more and the illustration so that you guys can learn a little bit as well. So one of the bag, the one with scrap actually. So I have to open the front and pull it from here because the closure, it's been screwed down from the inside. So I will put this back here and package it, and it will be among the things we'll be sending to her. And by the way, I don't want any issue with anybody, so I decide to keep uh, the remaining material, just the small pieces from what she gave. This is the small pieces, so I will package everything with it and send it to her. So I will update you on it next week update. So by the way, let's forget about her. We need good energy on this channel. We don't want bad energy. So this is the bag we make so far. As you can see, I use a red velvet as the lining inside. So it's just a simple bag with a pocket inside. As you can see, the pocket. So the sample she gave me, or the one she made before, the side is not wide, so she asked me to widen and increase the length of the side, so which I did. And the under as well, I increased the under. So by the way, this red that is showing now, I will try my best to dye it and polish it, and the bag will be beautiful, even though uh Well, I say we should just forget about it. I'm not talking more about it. So I will just polish the bag and try to send to the client. And here is another one as well. This is another beautiful one. As you guys can see, the bag is very fine as well. This is part of the sample she sent to me. I did not make this, someone make this for her. So as you can see, the inside they just use ordinary lining and finish everything up. But the bag is also beautiful. The people that make it are also professional. So but by the way, as you can see, this is the one I make and this is the one they make. So there's a different there. Why mine is small? I was supposed to make a big one just like this, but the material she gave is too small. The main skin is enough, because if you check with this one extra, it's enough to make this, but this particular one she gave is not enough. Because if I say, she asked me to increase this, if I say I'm not going to increase this, or if I want to increase it, it will not be enough. Even without me increasing it, it will not be enough. That's the reason why we just make a smaller one like this. And it's just a simple diagram. As you can see, this is the diagram here. You can just pause and check out this. So enough talking for that particular bag item. I think I said this week update is not going to be long, so this is how everything is in the shop. Just as you can see, I have this machine here. Is because now I've been working lately, so sometimes maybe towards the evening, if there's no more reflection, and the inside is a little bit dark, so I decide to bring one of the machine outside here, and the one that used to be here, the electric white machine, is now inside. So let me show. So among the accessories she even give, I think highlights. Okay, this is the highlights that is remaining. She gave me 4 highlights, so this I will be also returning it to her. So on the board we still have the project we are still anticipate to do, or I think if I have the time, if time permits me, I will try to do it. The shop is still normal the way it used to be. The decks is still filled up, and that I've not worked on it. So in, I think by Monday I will try to fix that. So in next week update, I will return all the stock back there. The wall, since the wall is pulling, I will look for reinforcement like a cable to put it back on the wall and hold it down so that it can withstand most of the load. So this is the machine I was talking about. It's now here. And by the way, there are a lot of things I will be showing you in next week update that we've been up to and been making. So guys, I think this is where we'll be ending this particular week update. If you do enjoy it, give it a giant thumbs up. Share this with people you know it will be of help to them. Leave in the comment section down below anything you think on this particular week update, as we appreciate you guys. For those who have subscribed to the channel, those new subscribers, thank you. We appreciate you a lot. For the old subscriber, we also appreciate you because you always come back to watch and to like the video, to leave your comment. And for those of you who are watching, thank you guys for watching. But we really appreciate you. We really appreciate you if you can just consider subscribing right now. If you subscribe, it costs you nothing to subscribe. You only even gain from us, because when we upload an interesting video tutorial that will be of use to you, you be aware. It's not as if maybe after we upload it to be a month or like 2 weeks before you'll be aware that we post a new something, a new video on the channel. So try your best to subscribe as you are watching this, as we are almost close to a big subscriber, a big subscription on the channel, or how am I going to say it? So thank you guys for everything you have been doing, and we really appreciate you. And we'll see you in the next week update. And happy Christmas in advance to you all. December is already here, so stay safe, be safe, drive safely if you are traveling from one place to another. So it's a time, is holiday time actually. So I'm wishing all you a beautiful holiday and a happy new year in advance. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. See you in the next week updates. Bye for now.